Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti and I'm from Kerala. So I have subscribed to Vysh IAS test series. So when I received the current affairs from Vysh sir, I just went through the whole PDF and for each and every question, the website link from which the question is being framed was also being provided. So I just went through the sources in which he have prepared the current affairs test series. It was not just confined to Hindu or PIB. He have covered different newspapers like Economic Times, Business Line, um, Live Mint, etc. And for the topics like environment and science and technology, he have even referred to different websites for compilation of such questions. After going through the entire PDF, I compared it with uh, two top institutes current affairs compilation. So what I found was that many many topics covered in the Whiteshire's test series was not there in the so-called top institutes current affairs compilation. So I found the quality was much better and it was also more comprehensive. And For us, if we are making or preparing notes for current affairs with our limited time, it is impossible for us to refer to too many different newspapers and too many different websites. So it is always better to confine ourselves to just one basic newspaper and refer to Vaishaya's test series. And one more thing, these current affairs monthly compilation is not only useful for the prelims preparation, but there has been there in for each and every topic a lot of background information is being provided with the recent data, and this can also be this can also be used for the mains examination. So I found it the quality wise and the topic wise and the way in which the questions are being framed is almost or uh, is almost equal to the way in which the UPSC frames questions. So I found it very useful, and I if you ask me whether I will recommend this, of course 100% I found this to be much more helpful than any other institute's compilation. So thank you.